Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Mask Monday. And I have on my cute Temu t-shirt. It isn't cotton, y'all. It's probably a rayon mix, but it's cute. You can't really see it, but also it says meow, and it's a cat, and she looks like she's ready to get her mask on. So I'm just gonna do this right now because my eyes have been really bothering me. I think it's just, you know, the change of seasons. There's so much pollen. I've been having to really use eye masks quite a bit. So I am wearing these Beauty Bio. These are the Bright Eyes. These I got in Ipsy, and I can't remember, they're quite expensive. There's 3 in a package, and the package is like a $30 package or $28 or something, but in Ipsy it was, you know, just a fraction of that. Maybe it was $5, because I usually don't spend very much on the Ipsy products. So today, Ipsy, which is now, as you all know by now, Boxycharm and Ipsy have merged into Ipsy. And we're supposed to be having a drop shop today with, they're incorporating Boxy into Ipsy. So far we've had Ipsy sales, their add-ons and their flash sales. So now we're having drop shop. So that is gonna be lots of fun. So I hope you all check it out today. It's early when I'm filming this, so I haven't seen it yet. I do have some things to show you from Temu. I got PR from Temu, and I really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. I wasn't gonna do it, but I saw everybody was having so much fun, so I jumped on the bandwagon, the Temu bandwagon, which we have a collab that is starting on Saturday. I'm in a collab with 10 other channels. If you've seen the ad for it, I have it on my channel. You'll see all the channels in the description. I'll put them in that ad, and I'll put all of them in the description of this video so you can find them. Today, on Mondays, each Monday, there's about 6 of us that are doing videos to cover the whole month of April, which is Autism Awareness Month. So last Monday, we had Tracy and Chloe unboxing beauty and more. Now, Tracy and Chloe are the hostesses of this collab, and they are phenomenal. Go see their video, because Chloe has autism and she talks very frankly about it. And then also in last Monday's grouping was Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. And Amber's son Noah has autism, and she talks about him. He's younger and he just started school, and she talks about how that has impacted his life and their family. So very interesting video. Kim's Happy Place is from last Monday, Life with Christine. Teresa Starship, and Teresa Starship is an adult woman that has a channel, and she is on the spectrum, and I didn't know that, and she talks about that. And then me. We all did our videos last Monday, but they're in the playlist, so you can watch them anytime. Some of us have giveaways, and we all have different rules and ending dates. Mine is going to last the whole month of April, because I'm gonna each Monday and Friday, I'm gonna try to announce all the channels involved so that we really get the word out there and you all go and see everybody, because everybody's story is different and everybody's video is different. I do not have anyone in my immediate life that has autism. I know some children at church that I really love, and I love to see them and everything. And so I talk more about facts on my video from last week. So today's videos that are due out are for April 10th are these ladies, JM Unboxing and More, which is Johanna, and Johanna's son Gabby, who you see sometimes on her videos. He has autism, so she talks about that. And Katie's Corner of the World, Beauty After 50, which is Gloria, Glitzy Gem, which is Stephanie, Emily D, and I Martinez, which is Itzel. And those 6 channels will talk about their experience and or facts about autism for you to hear today. And they may or may not do Mask Monday. Some of them will and some of them won't. Some might do other things. Not everybody does Mask Monday. Some do makeup and other crafting. I'm not sure what they'll be doing. So check them out. And then next week on April 17th, we have Lori's Life, Bonnie's Bargains, Beautifying MZ, which is Mary, Chelsea K's Creations, which is Chelsea and Bella, Simply Southern Belle's Vlogs, which is Brandy, and Unique Beauty, which is Trish. And then on April 24th, we have Faye Blanchard, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Real Lady Electrician, which is Crystal, Taylor Marie's Journey, The Sea, and Sweet and Sassy Sarah. And again, I will have in this video, I'll have them all in the description. So even though April 17th and April 24th videos are not out yet, you can still go check out their channels if you have time and you want to see what their channels are about. For my giveaway, you do not have to be subscribed to anybody but me to win my giveaway. And it will run the whole entire month, but you do have to go to my April 3rd Mask Monday to register, so to speak, for the giveaway, to say you want to be in on the giveaway. I may have said that you had to say a word in there. I don't remember. You'll have to watch the video. But it's not really that you have to know a secret word because it's not a secret. But it just helps me with the comment picker to find a winner if the comment picker is working at the time. It's not always working right. Okay, so I do want to tell you, like I said, I'll have all of them listed. Here comes the train. I have gotten several orders of Temu items. There's so many things on Temu that you don't even know that you need. You go shopping, I mean, really, it's like you just keep falling down these rabbit holes. I had a little list of what they have. They have just a ton of stuff. They have pet supplies, which I can find so much stuff for my cats there, and so much stuff for dogs too. They have sports and outdoor supplies. They have office products, electronics, home and garden, health and beauty, apparel for men, women, children, footwear for men, women, and children. They have home appliances. They have musical instruments. I mean, it's incredible. They have accessories. They have purses. They have anything you can imagine. They have skincare items. I did a video on that not too long ago on some of the skincare items that I got from them. In this recent haul, I actually have 4 orders, I think it was, that they set all together. And it took me about an hour with my emails to check off everything I received. So I have a lot to show you, and I'm gonna take several videos to show you. I bought some clothing, so I'm gonna do a try-on video for you. This will be in the next couple of weeks coming up as I have time to show you things. And I just have a lot of things, a lot of fun things, a lot of hopefully things that you'll enjoy. And I did get some nails. You all know how I love my press-on nails, because a lot of people wear press-on nails for different reasons, just because it's easier for them, or they can't grow their nails well, or whatever the case may be. For me, I am allergic to nail polish remover. No matter what, if there's the acetone in it or not, just on my hands, I get eczema. Right now I have eczema on my eye up here, and it just comes and goes. Whoops, don't want to lose that. It doesn't bother me on my feet, but I can't necessarily use the nail polish remover on my feet. So I have to get pedicures if I'm going to do that. I haven't had a pedicure though, really since COVID. So I used to go regularly for them. So I'd like to maybe do that again, because it's just, you know, it's a good way of taking care of yourself. It feels good. It's good for circulation and a lot of other reasons. And we wear sandals here in Northern Alabama a good portion of the year. So, you know, maybe 8 months, 9 months of the year. So I probably need to have that done. But I like the Dashing Diva brand, and I am an affiliate for them, ambassador, whatever you want to call me. And if you buy with my code, with my link below, I get a couple of pennies. In fact, I just recently got paid from them. I got like $2.34 because someone bought under me. So thank you, whoever did that. It might have been a couple of y'all. I get some pennies back based on what you spend. And I love the nails, and I use them all the time. I did buy a couple of nails from Temu because I wanted to check them out, just like I have tried other brands. There's other brands out there, and there's some good other brands out there. Some are more expensive, some are less expensive. I find that for me, the Dashing Diva works the best. That's why I like them so much. And I like them so much that I signed up to be an affiliate. a few years ago. So I did get a couple of sets on the Temu site just to see what it was all about. And their prices, what I did was they have sales constantly, y'all. So I went and looked up the sale nails. The most expensive sets that I was looking at were like $3.36. They may have more expensive. They have everything you could possibly need if you're a nail technician. At least, see, I don't know exactly what you need, but what I saw, you know, they have like those blank kind of nails that you would put on somebody and then paint yourself. You know, they have nail files and implements that you use. And like I said, I don't know all that you need, but it looks to me like they have everything you need and it would be very reduced. But all these, I got a couple sets of nails and they were all either like 80 cents, $1.79, you know, like in that range, under $2 for these sets. And some of them are packaged the same, and then some of them are not. This one is different. They all did say that they were 24 pieces, whereas the Dashing Diva has 30 pieces. So like this set that I have on right now, I've had this on for almost 2 weeks now. I did lose my accent nails, so I have extra accent nails that I put on. And these I will be changing out soon, but I just haven't had time yet. So this set, see how this is packaged? This has blue, and then there are some accent nails, and it is in a shape that I like. This sort of squared off shape. I got something on me. Smudge was just here. I like a squared off. They have the coffin shape. They have the pointy. They have the really long. They have all different sizing. It's just, you know, up to you what you like. They had this cute set. I just thought this was adorable. These are green, and then these are little daisies. I thought that I would like to try them. I haven't opened this package yet. So let's open it and see, because I did open one of these smaller packages. Okay, this is the same. The reason why these are so inexpensive is the sticker is not on the nail. So this comes the same way as the others. There you have your nails in the tray and some extra nails up there. And they give you a little file. The Dashing Diva also gives you an alcohol pad so you can clean your nails really good, which you want to do before you put your stickers on, because otherwise it won't stick well. Then they send you a sheet of stickers. So in these I get extra for when my Dashing Divas fall off. I'll have an extra one. But this is all do-it-yourself. That's why they're so inexpensive. So if you don't have time for that, you don't want to try these. Now they may have more expensive sets on Temu. I just haven't had a chance to look yet. So this set I do have for our bonus for the treasure trove. If you are playing that game, this is looks to me a little bit on the shorter side. They're really pretty. I'll turn them upside down so you can see them, because they look like they're upside down in there. They're a gradient, kind of a burgundy or maybe chocolatey-ish color. And then the accent nails have glitter on them. Let me see. I'll open it up so I can show you. I won't touch the nails, but okay. It comes, it has a little orange stick in this package, and it does have this nail file fill out. It has a nice nail file, and it has the stickers. They're in there. See, there's those stickers. And then, I don't know, I'm trying to get it closer to you so you can see the colors. So that's something to put on your bonus list if you are playing the treasure trove. And I just wanted to remind y'all about the Autism Awareness Collab, and it's just very powerful. This is our 3rd year, I believe, of doing it, and I've been involved for the 3 years, and I've really, really enjoyed it, and enjoyed hearing your stories about your families and friends that have autism, and how you're learning about them, and how I'm learning about them as well. I'm learning so many things about autism that I didn't know. And I just want to thank you all for being here and for watching our videos for that, for this very important month, so we know more about autism. And thank you for stopping by, y'all. And again, everybody's channel will be in the description, and I'll put the playlist in the description also. If there are some private videos on the playlist, that just means that that person's channel isn't up yet for making that video live. They've recorded it and it's on the playlist, and it won't come live until until April 17th or April 24th, okay? So you'll see on there the April 3rd videos and the April 10th videos right now, okay? And be able to access them. And I think that's it. So y'all take care and count your blessings, and good to see you, and do something to take care of yourself today. Right, bye-bye.